Used to my new strength.
Wow, you really are big.
Yeah, but I'm still me. I'm still the same girl you fell in love with.
Except you did just destroy the Golden Gate Bridge.
Well, but that was the only way I was gonna stop that giant robot. Did you ever think I could do something like that?
No, I didn't. I can honestly say it never, ever, 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 ever occurred to
You
me.
can make the screen so you don't have to lay right
I
on the
know
floor.
this is a little weird. Okay, it's a lot weird. But we'll figure it out. I know that together we can find a way to get me back to normal.
Put your head up.
Susan, try and look at this.
Hey, Michael.
I
What are you doing?
Depends on me for news,
Michael.
sports, and
There you
heartwarming
go.
experiences. So you expect me to put all that on hold while you try to undo this thing that happened to you? That I had absolutely nothing to do with?
Oh boy.
Hey, Mikey. Michael.
What about the life that we always talked about? Don't you still want that?
Of course. I just don't see how I can have that with you.
Yeah.
Don't do this.
Oh, you have to face facts, Susan. And don't crush me for saying this, but I'm not looking to get married and spend the rest of my life in someone else's shadow. And you're casting a pretty big shadow. I'm sorry. It's over.
Hey, Michael, pick your head up. There you go, tummy time. Hey, good job, bud.
Yeah, get fresh eye. Flip me over.
Here. Come
What a
There you go.
shindig! Your parents really know how to throw it down.
There you go.
What? No, that was a great party. One of the best I've been to since I got out of prison.
I must have been at a different party, because that's not how I
Doing
interpreted it at all. I don't think your parents like me, and I think that Jello gave me a fake phone number.
Well,
Doing good, bud.
at least the garbage was free. You know,
Ah, who are we kidding? We could save every city on the planet and they'd still treat us the same way they've always treated us. Like monsters.
Right. Monsters.
Bubbles.
Anyway, how is Derek?
Good job, bud.
Derek is
There you
a
go.
selfish jerk.
No!
Yes. All that talk
Relax.
about us.
Shh,
I'm so
relax.
proud of us. Us just got a job in Fresno. There's no us. There was only Derek. Why did I have to get hit by a meteor to see that? Idiot. Why did I ever think life with Derek would be so great anyway?
He's sucking on my
Look at all
finger.
the stuff I've done without him.
He got my finger in his mouth.
Fighting an alien robot?
Oh, it's clean.
That was me. Not
My
him.
hands are always
And that
clean.
wasn't